I'm Steph. I'm a mechanical technician in the run-out area, which is the dispatch zone in the slab caster at BlueScope. We're on the casting floor of the slab caster. Behind me are the ladles, and they will flow down into the mould, and that's where the molten steel is set and becomes the slabs that you see going around the steelworks. So as a mechanical technician, I'm in charge of a smaller area, which I'm responsible for inspecting weekly the equipment, and I need to know my equipment well enough to be able to fix these problems before they become bigger issues and start costing a lot more money to fix. I joined as an apprentice with HVTC, so I came in as a mature aged apprentice. I was 25 when I started my apprenticeship. I just wanted to do something different, and a friend of mine's father actually introduced me to the role and said that I should give it a try, and so I gave it a shot and I love it. I didn't know a lot about apprenticeships, just that they were on-the-job training and learning new skills. What interested me about it was getting to learn more about how machinery works and get to fix it and troubleshooting. As an apprentice, I moved from department to department. A lot of the jobs and everyday tasks depended on the department, but a lot of it was inspections. Like I was on cranes, then I was over in a roll shop working on work rolls, bit of everything. HVTC were really supportive of me. If I had any issues, I could call my field officer, and he was always there to help me, which was really good. So the field officer is your supervisor with HVTC, so they'll come on site and they'll do apprentice reviews with you, but they're there as that person to contact from HVTC if you've got any issues. Yeah, it was a really positive experience. I'd definitely recommend them to anyone wanting to do an apprenticeship. I love the team that I'm working in at the moment. We all get along really well. They're really welcoming, which as a female I thought I would have issues with, but yeah, they're just like a family at work. Especially being new as a technician to the area, everyone's really helpful. I would definitely recommend giving the apprenticeship a go. If you have any sort of interest in an area but you're not too sure, an apprenticeship is a really good way to start. Get your foot in the door. You've got that 4 years to learn more about it, and you never know where it's going to take you.